going to show you how to set up the iPhone 16 Pro as well as the 16 Pro Max step by step. First thing is turn it on, just press and hold that power button until you see the Apple logo and wait till it boots up, and then you should be at this screen here. To get started, we're going to swipe up to open, so it's on the bottom here, swipe up. Choose your language, I'm going to go with English here. Choose your country or region, I'm in the US, United States, I'm going to tap right there. Appearance, choose how you would like text and icons to look on your phone. For me, on the default here, I like to go to medium here, a little bit larger. And I'm going to go with continue. Here's the quick start. You can bring your iPhone or iPad near this phone here, and then you'll be able to sign in and set up a little bit faster. However, for me, I'm going to go with a clean slate here, so I'm going to set up without another device. Choose your Wi-Fi network so you can get that latest update. If you're not currently have any Wi-Fi, you can continue without Wi-Fi and do it later. Okay, anyway, I do have Wi-Fi right now, so let me go ahead and connect to my Wi-Fi network. Go ahead and input your Wi-Fi password. Once you put in the password, tap on join. This may take a few minutes to activate your phone. Just be patient on this screen. Data and privacy, go ahead and read through that and then tap on continue. You can set up the iPhone for yourself or a child. For me, I'm going to set up for myself here. So I'm going to tap right there. Here's your Face ID, basically your Face ID password. You can set this up now, or you can set it up later, or you can never set it up to you. For myself, I'm going to go ahead and set mine up now. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on continue right there. And now I want to go ahead and click start it. And I'm going to put my face right in there. And then what I'm going to do is kind of do like a little circle. Pretty easy, we're done. And it says here 2 options. You can use Face ID with a mask, or don't use Face ID with the mask. You can set that up to later, or for me, I'm going to go ahead and do it now, and I'm going to do don't use face mask, or don't use Face ID with a mask. I'm going to tap on that right there. So my Face ID password is set up. Now it's asking me to create a iPhone passcode, basically a 6-digit password, okay? So, or 6-digit with numbers. So go ahead and make one up. Okay, I just put my 6 digits in there, and it's going to ask you to confirm one more time. All right, make sure they're both the same. Transfer your apps and data. Get your existing apps and information like your photos, videos, notes, reminders onto your new device, from the old device to the new device. Okay, you can do that if you have an iCloud backup from another iPhone, from a Mac or a PC, or from an Android phone or tablet. But for myself, I want a clean, fresh install on this phone. I'm going to don't transfer anything. So I'm going to tap down here for myself. Your Apple account, sign in with an email or phone number to use iCloud, the App Store, and other Apple services. So go ahead and put your information there. For myself, I'm going to go ahead and skip this because I don't remember my password. So I'm going to type in forgot password or don't have an account. I'm going to tap there, and I'm just going to skip this, set up later in settings, and I'll just do that later. And for now, I'm going to don't use. Terms and conditions, go ahead and read through that. And if you agree, tap on agree up there. Update your phone automatically. That's good for me. I'll tap on continue. iMessage and FaceTime. People can contact you on all your devices with iMessage and FaceTime using your phone number or email address. So the phone number that you're going to have on this phone will be sent to Apple to set up iMessage and FaceTime. So that's up to you. I will go with continue for myself. Location services, go ahead and read through that. You can turn on location service or set up later and never do it, or just set it up later. For myself, I'm going to go ahead and turn it on now. So turn on location services. Set up cellular. You can transfer your phone number, your current phone number, from one phone to here, or you can scan the QR code. Okay, so I have my other iPhone here. If I wanted to go ahead and transfer this number right now, I can tap on that, or I can use a QR code that I got from my T-Mobile carrier. But for myself, I'm not ready to transfer my phone number, so I'm just going to set up later in settings for myself. So I'm basically skipping the eSIM setup for now, so I would just skip. Screen time, go ahead and read through that, and that's up to you. For me, you can continue, or you can set up later in settings. For me, I'll click on set up later in settings and not even set it up. I'm not even interested in that. iPhone analytics is optional. You can share with Apple or don't share. It's up to you. For me, fine. I'll share with Apple. And with the app analytics, you can share with app developers or don't share. Again, that's optional. So I'll just go ahead and share with it. Share. Your appearance, you want light, dark, or you want auto. Okay, most of you guys are going to want dark or auto. I like to keep mine on auto, make it nice and dark, and I'll tap on continue. Silent mode, go ahead and read through that, tap on continue. Your action button, which is up here above your volume up rocker, go ahead and read through that. You can customize the action button to do other things, so you can customize it now, or just do not now, or do not now and set it up later. Camera control, read through that, and then tap on continue. Here's Siri, you can set this up, or you can set up later in settings, and you can never set up if you wish. For me, I'm gonna go ahead and continue right now. I'll just quickly set this up, and you can click on the different voices.
The colors of the
I like
sky
number
fade
4.
with the setting sun.
I'll tap on continue. Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. Okay, so Siri is ready. Go ahead and read through that, and then tap on continue. Improve Siri, improve Siri and dictation. That's up to you. You can share audio recordings or do not now. I'm just going to go not now. Emergency SOS, go ahead and read through that and then tap on continue. Welcome to your iPhone, swipe up to get started, and voila, we are now in business. So pretty simple. Now I didn't transfer my phone number on here, so after all the setup, like later on in the future, in a couple days, I can just go back to settings here, go to cellular, and then I can tap on set up cellular and go ahead and transfer my number that way. Anyway, there you go.